Hello everyone. Today we will be going through the learning outcome 3 of design technology, which is to be able to produce 2D CAD drawings. In this session, we will be covering on setting drawing parameters on the CAD system, which is computer aided drawing system. Then explain the reasons for using structured layers and how they are created. And explain the functions of the commands used in producing 2D CAD drawings and produce 2D CAD drawings that contain essential technical information. So the first we look into setting drawing parameters on the CAD system. So in this, you need to punch in some systems and the limits and the paper size. So the limits is set the drawing area limits to match the expected size of your components. So how big your drawing will be, on what paper you want to print. So this prevents you from accidentally drawing elements outside the intended space. Then you have the paper size. So you need to configure the paper size to match the eventual plot or print size. So this ensures that the drawing's content fits well when plotted or printed. Then the next thing is with respect to the drawing aids. So here there are certain elements. The first one is grid spacing. So you need to specify the grid spacing, which helps align objects and maintain consistent proportions. So smaller grid spacing offers more precision when you are doing a CAD drawing. Then you have the snap interval. So the snap interval is to be set where you need to define how closely objects snap to grid points or other objects. So basically it is like how you fit the objects onto the intended drawing space. So adjusting this will enhance your accuracy during drawing. Then you have the object snap mode. So here you have to enable the snap points, for example, end points, the intersection, the T points, so which help you to accurately place and connect the entities. Then another option in the drawing canvas is the orthogonal mode, which when enabled forces line to be drawn at 0 degrees, 90 degrees or other fixed angles. So this aids in creating perpendicular and parallel lines. So this is how you use the orthogonal mode. Then you have the units. So it is very important that you select proper units when you are using a CAD drawing. So it should be like whether you want in inches, millimeters, centimeters. So this ensures consistency and accurate measurement. So the unit, there should be uniforming in the units. So what are the benefits in drawing aids? So we looked into how you can customize the drawing aid and to fit them to give you accurate and precise overview of the drawing. So some of the main benefits include accuracy, consistency, efficiency, and ease of visualization. So how does it help in improving accuracy? So drawing aids help you to create precise designs by aligning and positioning objects with precision. So that is one of the benefits of drawing aid. Then consistency. So the use of grids, the snaps, and object snaps ensure uniformity and alignment in the drawings. Then efficiency. So efficiency is with respect to the speed of the drawing. So the aids of grids, snaps, and objects, and orthogonal alignments, they help in speeding up drawing by reducing the need for manual adjustment. So in 2D CAD drawing, all of these adjustments you can make, which can help you in enhancing the efficiency of the drawings. Then you have the ease of visualization. So grids and snaps also help visualizing object placement and measurements. However, no tools or techniques can be considered perfect. So there are also limitations of using drawing aids. So one of them is over-reliance. So depending solely on drawing aids might lead to neglecting careful observation of dimensions and relationships. So, for example, if you have to show a top view where you have to show alignment where one unit is in mm, one is in centimeters, so there may be a mismatch, and it can lead to neglecting careful observation of dimensions. Then complexity. So sometimes an integrated design might require deviations from grid or snap constraints, which can be restrictive. And third is misalignment. So in some cases, objects might snap to incorrect points. So for example, instead of a straight line, it can be like a 10-degree snapping. So due to which overlapping grid lines or other factors may occur in the 2D CAD drawing. So next one is the reasons for using structured layers and how they are created. So structured layers in 2D CAD drawing is very important. So why do you need structured layers? So structured layers help to categorize and group objects logically, which is thereby making it easier to manage the complex designs. Then you have clarity and readability. So when you have follow the rule of structured layer in producing CAD drawing, it provides you with better visualization and it helps you to focus on specific design components at a time. For example, if you're designing an automobile, so when you're using a structured approach, you can use only the suspension system and then you can magnify it and can do a CAD drawing to visualize all the components and the tests on the suspension system. So this enhances the clarity and readability of your drawings. Then the structured layer also helps in increasing the efficiency by isolating and editing specific layers, streamline design changes without affecting unrelated elements. For example, your design of the safety bag, so that you can like enhance and work on it by using a structured layer approach. Then structured layer also helps in collaboration. For example, one of your team members is working in one design aspect, the other team member is working in another design aspect. So it helps collaboration by providing a standardized way to organize design. So team members can work on different layers without interfering with each other's work. And then finally, the structured layer, it helps in overall project management, wherein the layers make it simpler to maintain, update, and revise designs over time. You can easily adjust specific parts without overhauling the entire drawing.